Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're doing an unboxing video. So we're gonna open this box to see which Reborn doll is the newest addition to our Reborn family. So it's already cut open, so let's open it up and take her out and see which Reborn doll we have received. So here we have, take this out. This is our newest Reborn doll that we have received. She is so cute. She has red hair, blue eyes, has a beautiful smile. And so this is the newest member of our Reborn family. She is so cute. Has a really nice smile. She is a little happy baby. And what came with her was just her birth certificates. So she looks very cute. Do you guys think her name should be? Let me know in the comments down below. She is so adorable. Her red hair. What do you guys think she looks like? There she is. Very cute. Newest member of our Reborn family. So we'll be doing some outfit changes and some hairstyles with her. So yeah, this is the newest member of our Reborn family. Let me know what you guys think, and please remember to subscribe. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.